Our story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, rear defrost, FWD. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.